Hey, what's up, tubers? This is Superdell, and today I got this special video for you. Now, if you want to protect your Google TV device from having apps uninstalled, then you definitely want to tune into this video. I don't care if you have Android TV, you can have the on 4K, you can have the NVIDIA Shield, you can have whatever device that is running Android TV and Google TV, these will work the same. Okay, but in today's video, I'm going to do this on Google TV, and maybe tomorrow I will show you how to do it on the NVIDIA Shield, which is running Android TV OS. Again, the same system, it's just a different layer. Okay, Android TV OS is a little bit older, and Google TV is just a refresher of Android TV. So, again, in this video, I'm going to show you some of the things you may need to do for protecting your Google TV device. So the first thing you want to do is go up here to the settings. All right, you see the settings is right here. When you go on it, it's white. Okay, you want to click on that. Now I'm gonna tell you the first thing before I do anything. First thing I want to do is go over to privacy. And what I always would tell you, go over to manage updates. Because before we start turning off features, we want to make sure the core system is up to date. So I'm going to go over here and see what I have. It has 23 updates. When I click on it, guys, look at all these updates that I have. Look at Android TV Remote, TV Setup, Android Accessibility Suite, Android system. So all of this need to be updated. These are the mainstream applications. So what I'm gonna do before I do anything, I'm gonna update these right now, and that way my system, my Google TV operating system is running very, very well. So this may take a little time. If I see it's not moving fast, I will pause the video and then go from there. So let me just see, make sure everything starts running. You should see the laser like you see right there. Everything should be going through. And then you should see that it starts to wiggle its way through. So these are a lot of apps that I have that need to be updated, and you should do the same thing. The same thing too. Always update your apps. Okay, as you see, it's starting to get going, but I'm gonna put this because this is 22 apps, guys. This is pretty long, and yes, I don't use this device as much. So I'm gonna pause this video, and then I'll come back when it's almost done. And so, guys, you see it's going. It's moving pretty slow, but at least it's moving. All right. So I definitely wanted to tune in to this. That way, you see downloader from AFTV News is being updated. You got the Google TV ambient mode being updated. The Android accessibility suite being updated. The Google TV home. Everything is being updated. So I definitely have not updated this device. And again, this is something that you should be doing normally on your device. All right, check for updates, see if everything needs to go through. But usually I turn my auto updates off. That's why I have so many of them that's being updated. And I'm gonna get into that shortly. But I just wanted to see, I just wanted to show you that it is going through, and we got about a good another 3 minutes left. Again, 22 of the mainstream apps and core services needed to be updated. So I will come back when we at like 2, 3, or 4 or something like that. So stay tuned. All right, guys, we are down to 5. Also, my remote need to be updated. It's going crazy right now. All right. So we're going to let this go on, tune on down. You see the Explorer File Manager has an update. Plex has an update. Browser TV Web has an update. These are all the applications that are being updated. These are all the ones that are coming from the Google Play Store. Coming from the Google Play Store. So we have 4 remaining. Should be done in a little bit of no time. And so again, I just want to let you know, like, definitely go into your update, your managed apps and games, and just see if you need some updates. And again, I always turn mine off. I always turn my auto updates off because again, I like to see exactly what is being updated on my device. Because sometimes they'll do an update and it will mess the app up. Okay, so as you see, everything is updated. And again, when I go back, all right, when I go back, I usually turn mine. This is optional though. These are the auto update is strictly for your mainstream apps that's coming from the Play Store. All right, but here's the big picture right here. Because when you go down to security, if you're running third-party applications, and I'm telling you now, you might want to turn scan apps with Play Protect off. And when you turn that off, it's going to turn off improve harmful apps detection, because when you putting on third party applications, a lot of times it will give you that little error message that says, we detect harmful, and a lot of times it don't even be harmful. It's just a third party app that they don't recognize. So again, if you should be putting apps responsibly on your device that you trust. Don't just go to any type of APK um, store or anything like that and just slide it on there, because it could bring you malware. So when you turn this off, right here, when you turn this feature off, you are putting your device at risk. All right, let me say that again. If you're putting third-party applications and you turn this feature off, you are putting your device at risk. So make sure you know exactly what applications that you are putting on your device. Don't just be going to some store called APK Superstore and you starting to download these apps and you slide them onto your device, because it could be malware, it could be some viruses, all type of craziness, and then taking your information, like your network information, and putting it out there. So again, when you turn this off, your device is vulnerable. So make sure you put apps on here responsibly. And from here, guys, that is it. This. You will not wake up and your applications will not be gone. Okay, you should be good to go when you do this. But again, when you go to manage apps, again, I always turn mine off. Again, this is personal though. This is just something I need to see. You don't have to follow that one. But if you want to, you could be just like me and just say, hey, I need to see exactly what's being updated as well. But for here, you going down, and so let's do this again. Let me go to the home screen so everybody know, and you see all of these updates that done happen, and you see everything is being like it's like it's being restarted. Okay, it's like it's being restarted and restored. Okay, it's like a refreshing. And so again, you just go over here and you see the new update that it did. Everything has been updated. Okay, and so I'm gonna go over here. And again, I'm gonna update my remote. All right, that was part of the update. But again, if you want to get to here, you just go to privacy. Okay, go to settings, privacy, and you go down here to security, right there. And this where you will get everything for protecting your third-party apps onto your device. That way they don't get uninstalled. But let me go back and let me go back and let me go back and go back into the settings and let me update my remote control, because that was part of the update. And it's going to update. You'll see your remote control. If you look at your remote control on your own, streaming device, it becomes red. It has a red dot. And then once it update, it'll go back off. Okay. And we are good to go. All right. Let me know if you like this video, guys. If you are interested and you like these type of videos, let me know. Leave it in the comments. Is this something you do? Let me know. Just let me know and let everybody know what Google TV device are you running. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe, share this video. Also, thumbs up the video. Also, do me one more favor. Go over to that bell icon, drop it down, and select all. That way you get all of my YouTube notifications. Anything I drop on YouTube, you will get. I don't know why it's hard for me to speak today, but here it is. Again, let me know what device you're using. If you're using a Google TV device, maybe you on Apple. I would love to hear from you. Or did you get that new Buzz TV? I would love to hear from you. I love reading y'all comments as well. Salute to y'all. Y'all be safe. This is Superdell, and I am out this joint. Peace.